Hey folks, it's Russ. Today's Thursday, January 25th, 2024. Hope you're having a great start to your day. I just wanted to shoot a quick video. I'm on my way over to the soap shop right now, and Tina is actually watching one of our friends' cats for the night, or for the day, and tonight and tomorrow. So we're taking two different cars, and I thought it'd be a good time just to hop on here and do a quick video. I want to talk to you about the key thing, in my opinion, to building a successful network marketing company. All right? You have to stay consistent. I see so many people join gotbackup, and within the first couple of weeks, 30 days, they're saying, they're writing to me saying it doesn't work. Sorry, I'm driving here. It doesn't work. It's not for them. And, then I go and I look on their Facebook wall, or I'm asking them what they're doing, and they don't even do anything. They don't even take any steps to try to make it work. So the key to building a successful network marketing business is to stay consistent, all right? You have to find whatever works for you, whatever resonates with you, whether it be online marketing strategies or offline marketing strategies, or a combination of both, and show up every single day and do those things, okay? Personally, I like to make videos, and I like Facebook and YouTube particularly. That's where I get 95% of all my leads and all of my direct referrals from. I just show up every day. I do some posts. I congratulate people in gotbackup who are, having success with the company. I try to shoot YouTube videos several times a week. I try to go live several times a week. And that is what I do. And I just do it every single day. And eventually, over time, you're going to build a nice residual income from that, okay? Because when your direct referrals see you showing up every single day, that's going to make them want to take action as well, okay? If they can see their sponsor showing up every single day and making it work, that gives them hope and motivation to go out and do the same thing. Now, not everyone is going to do that, obviously. Not everyone's going to take action, but you want to set a good example for those that you're bringing into the company. All right, why would you want to join somebody who doesn't do anything with the company? So the key is just to stay consistent, show up every day. If you enjoy going into physical locations for businesses and talking with the owners and sharing a brochure or a business card with them and talking to them about the services that we have at gotbackup, that's awesome. Go out and do it every single day. If you like, pinning up brochures or business cards in the laundromats and, other stores that have the, the cork boards there where you can post stuff, go and do that every day. If you like making TikTok videos, do a TikTok video every single day. And don't stop, and don't get upset if you're not having the success that you think you deserve right away. All right? Nothing good happens overnight. In fact, I was talking to Tina not too long ago about Amazon and how they've been around since the 90s, and it was just a few short years ago where they actually started to turn a profit. All right? So you have to be patient. You have to, don't expect too much in the beginning. Don't expect miracles to happen overnight. Don't expect to start making $10,000 your first month in this business. All right, that's not how it works. Very few people do that. And the ones that do, they have huge followings, and they're, successful marketers already. So that's it for now. I just turned into the soap shop. I just wanted to shoot that and just let everyone know that you can do this. All right, you don't have to be a rocket science to make this work. It's a product that everybody needs and everyone can afford. So you just go out there and share your tour link, get two people to jump on your tour page every single day, and stay consistent. And if you do that, you can make good things happen, all right? Just to be in the top 2% of all network marketers, you have to refer 10 people in your lifetime. And that'll put you in the top 2% of all network marketers in the world, 10 people. All right, so shoot to get one sign up a month if you're just starting out. It's super easy to do, folks. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.